Environments aren't backgrounds, they are emotional engines. In Veo, you're not only asking for a place, you're specifying light, texture, weather, and space so the scene feels lived in and supports the story beat. Start with mood, then pick a location archetype that naturally carries it. Quiet resolve lives well in a pre-dawn classroom or an empty lab. Momentum belongs in a neon alley or a sunlit corridor with strong leading lines. Say the feeling first in your head, then translate it to time of day, light quality and materials. Warm tungsten lamps on wood reads intimate. Overcast skylight on concrete reads objective and modern. Light is your main atmosphere dial. Use words that describe both quality and direction. Soft north light, hard noon sun with crisp shadows, golden hour rim light, cool fluorescent spill. If you need depth, add volumetric shafts through dust, or mist catching streetlights, fog, rain, drifting snow, and heat shimmer all create movement without the camera doing anything. Great for shots where the subject is still. Textures and palette glue the world together. Pick 3 materials and stick to them. Raw oak, brushed aluminum, matte paper, or wet asphalt chrome neon signage. Name a color, temperature, direction, warm, neutral, or cool, and one accent color that can pop on signage, UI, or wardrobe. Consistency beats complexity. Space matters too. If you want intimacy, say narrow corridor, low ceiling, background softly crowded with shelves. If you need scale, cathedral-like atrium, tall columns, tiny figures for scale. Ask for atmospheric perspective with haze in the distance to separate foreground, midground, and background. In practice, use references. Drop a still of your brand palette or the exact lab bench you want, and tell Veo to keep the same wood tone and blue accent. Explicitly state what should be absent. Quiet lab, no other people, no monitors on. That reduces visual noise. Here are 2 quick blueprints. For Veo 2 fast aids ideation. Overcast morning in a minimalist workshop. Soft skylight from the left. Woodworking bench with scattered shavings. Warm tungsten task lamp creates a small halo. Air is slightly dusty. Feeling. Focused craft. Slow dolly in toward a half-finished object. Common fixes: if a scene feels flat, you're missing light direction or depth cues, add rim light and foreground objects out of focus or haze. If the image looks busy, remove props and narrow materials to 2 or 3. If it feels generic, anchor the environment with one signature object or sign that repeats across shots for continuity. Your assignment: design one setting 3 ways: dawn, noon, and night, with matching audio lines for each. Keep the same textures and props, only change light and atmosphere. Render all 3 and compare how the same place tells 3 different stories.